In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Coinbase recovery phrase. So just for clarification, you guys are only able to do this via the Coinbase Wallet application or the Base app. They're basically the same thing. So again, it is not going to work on the official Coinbase app. You're going to need to use the Base app, or formerly known as the Coinbase Wallet app. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on it just like so, and then just wait for it to load in. You may need to go ahead and unlock your wallet. Okay, once you're over here, all you want to do is you want to go to the top right and select on the gear icon just like so. Then all you want to do is you want to select on address just like this, and then from here you will now see the option that says recovery phrase, and you want to go ahead and press on that. Then afterwards you're going to need to go ahead and actually type in your password one more time. And then afterwards, it is going to go ahead and actually show you your recovery phrase. Now, obviously, for privacy reasons, I'm not going to show my personal recovery phrase, but you guys are able to go ahead and find it after you type in the password of your account. After you type in the PIN number of your account, you should be able to go ahead and see your recovery phrase. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.